Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Linden Houston. If you're new here, please remember to like, share, subscribe, to leave positive comment. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect ginger tea and give you the explanation of the health benefit. Here I have some lovely lime and I have some fresh ginger here. And here we have a finished product of the ginger tea, and I'll take you through the process. This tea is going to be very healthy and delicious, and especially we're coming through in the cold time now. It's getting a bit cold. This is good for cold, fever. So stay tuned. So here I have some lovely ginger, and I'll be using some lime in this ginger tea. And some of the benefit of ginger is to cut down fermentation and constipation, also help to reduce bloatedness and intestinal gas. Also is good for cold, flu, and nausea. And I'll be adding some lime to this. And lime is very healthy, and it helps to build up your immune system. Also help to fight off infections such as a cold and flu and viruses. And in this lovely tea, I'll be adding some cayenne pepper, which is good for blood circulation and weight loss and digestive system. It's good for heart health also, and help to ease pain. So over the other side, so over here, I have my water going. So I'm just going to bring the water up to boil, and then I'm going to add my ginger in it. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a piece of the ginger. So I'll be using about this amount for the tea. You can either use a knife to take the skin off, or you can use a spoon and just scrape it off. And you can even leave some of the skin on it, because the skin have great health benefit also. So just use a spoon. So one of the things you can do with the ginger, you can either slice it, so this is another way you can do it. Otherwise, you can grate it. When you grate it, it's a little bit more effective. So I'm going to grate some and slice some of it. And all that is personal preference. When you grate it, you will feel the effect of it a little bit different. So now the ginger is prepped. Now we have some lime. You can use lemon. So if you want to cut this up, however you want to cut this up, or if you want to slice it, please. So these help you fight off some cold and virus. It's getting a bit cold, so you have to try to build up your immune system. So this is what I normally do, especially when it's getting cold. So now, while the water is boiling, what we're going to do, we're going to take all of this and we're going to put in it. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper in that. Next step we're going to do, we're going to cover this. We're going to turn the gas off, and we're going to let it steep for a while. Next step is just get yourself a lovely teapot. You don't have to. If you don't have it, that's fine. So what we're going to do here, just going to pour your tea in this. Next step, you just get a teacup. Then we're gonna add a bit of honey to this. So get yourself some good quality honey. Give it a bit of stir just to get the honey dissolved. Then we're gonna add some lime to this. That's personal preference, but that's what I'm gonna drink this morning. Bit of ginger slices. So now your perfect ginger tea is ready. Just give it a bit of taste. Wow, very nice and delicious. You can feel the heat of the cayenne pepper and the ginger, the honey. It's lovely. I'm just gonna let it cool down a little bit and then I'm gonna finish this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. If you do like this content, please do to subscribe, like, share, leave a positive comment. Thanks for watching.